motivation, uplifting your spirit, change your mood and mind from negative to positive. The power of alchemy. Now, before I begin, I'm going to give you my definition of alchemy. Check it out. Okay, so let's see. January 2020, you was doing okay. You was doing okay. You was still having that self-doubt. Okay. Then you start picking up self-love. Okay. Corona hit. Oh, YouTube, don't get me. C virus hit. Okay. You start losing hope. All right. It's the first time you ever experienced that in your whole entire human existence. Okay. But you kept going. Okay. Let's see. Insecurities was still kicking in, but you kept going. Okay. This is alchemy, by the way. Okay. What else? You start becoming more creative. Okay. You didn't let isolation burn you completely down. Okay. So you kept going. That's the power of alchemy. Give yourself some credit. Good morning. Give yourself some credit. You went through all of that. Through the hate, slander, all the critiquing, judgment, being ridiculed, going through this pandemic worldwide, not letting it stop you. 2021 will be the year of alchemy, turning the worst into the best. With everything you learned and picked up from 2020, bring that into 2021. Leave the negativity. Oh, by the way, because I know I wanted to bring this up too. Happy on social media, depressed in reality. It's gotta stop. Let me call myself out. I've been a victim of it before. Nobody's perfect. We have our days, we have our moments. The goal is not to become a permanent smile, a robot with a permanent smile. No, that is quite impossible. However, in 2021, go MIA off social media for some time. Become more creative. It's about 20 degrees out here. It's like a little small hailstorm right now. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I've been getting hit with it since I've been out here running. Oh well. The power of alchemy, turning the worst into the best while having a positive mindset, practicing self-love, not letting the C virus stop you. Man, took a massive hit last year. But this year, if you got through the C virus, if you didn't let the fear of the C virus fully take over your spirit, you got it. Everything you've been praying, wishing, and hoping for, and trying to manifest into your life, is coming. What do I always say? Don't give up on yourself. Have patience with yourself. Self-love. Meditate. Yeah. So, if that definition of alchemy wasn't good enough for you, there's always another choice. And I believe we both know what that choice is. G-O-O-G-L-E. Yeah. Anyways, guys, continue loving yourselves. Continue doing what you got to do to become your greatest version. Let no negativity stop you or prevent you from doing so. I would see back then I used to complain about how cold. No, I don't have my gloves. You see, I don't even have my gloves. I used to be like, man, I'm not going outside to run 4 or 5 miles. You're crazy. I'm not doing that. Love running now. Love running. Motivation, uplift your spirit, change your mood and mind from negative to positive. We dancing into 2021 like this. Hey, 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 with that thankful dance. Life and waves are alike. They never stop.